at the moment you cannot see my face that well, so I'll be a little bit out of the picture. But as you can see, the Microcoup has a full aluminium plated top cover, and it's actually very heavy, so I don't know if it would be handy if you are working on a site that much, but if you're into construction and you really are a floor tiler, you would buy a different machine, because this is one in the lower price category. I believe it's 145 euros here in Holland. This is the cheapest one I can find, and the cataloging price is around 189, I think. Anyway, what does it have? You can do degree cuts as well. It has a built-in water reservoir and a plug. You can put the plug in and out of it, so you can put in the plug and then the water stays in. Very cool. And you get a free disc with that. We'll look at that later. And some gliders. Well, it's hardened, very good aluminium. Some plastic in the places where I don't care that it has plastic, because this is the water reservoir, and you put water in here and then the spinning wheel will pick it up, and then it goes over your tiling, and you can refill it by taking off the top instead of a loose tray you have to put under. That's very cool. You can see Carat has really thought about this piece of work. It's nice and flat and aluminium top surface. So let's see how we do this. This one goes back for a moment. Okay. Now it's closed again. Oh, this is cool. I really like it. It's heavy and heavy as well. Let's see what the disc is. It's a 180mm disc. Don't know exactly what the whole specifications is. So it's a 180 disc. 24. Don't know where this is about. I think it's the hardness. Maximum RPM. Is a diamond plated, and you can use it in this machine. Let's see if there's a hole size on there. And there's another hole size on it. So, well, it says premium, so it must be fantastic. We'll see how it cuts later in a different video. Let's see if I can post a video about that as well. I'll be cutting a lot of tiles, so maybe a quick video for a few minutes. So that's one thing. Let's tear this one open. Apparently this is for cutting at various angles. So you put your tile in the corner and then you can cut it in a different angle. It feels, it's plastic, it's not aluminium, but it feels like it's going to work for some time. If you're a hobbyist tiler, then you will be fine with this. If you're using it on a construction site, you'll be fucked. But you would buy a different machine. This is to protect our hands from coming into the machine, and this is some various parts. Some knobs to put at the bottom, rubber plastic knobs for under the machine, so that you can place it without damaging the floor. I don't know what this is for. Let's see what that's. And of course a wrench to put in the disc. And well, an instruction manual. Always handy. We'll read that later if you want to. Put that away. Let's see if we can get it out of the box. Hey! Hey! Let's see if we can get it out of the box. It's quite heavy. So it's out of the box. Let's get it out of the folder. we have ruler. It's actually not bad. It looks durable. It locks on two sides. Aluminium. Too bad about the plastic cap, but that's not one of the parts that's important. The entire thing is aluminium and RVS steel with some spring-loaded stuff, and it's very durable. Let's see. Now, we have a good place to hide our electric stuff. That's, and then we have a carrying handle, and over here we have specifications. We live in Europe, so we have a 240 volts, 75 kilowatts. 0.75, 750 watts, 2,800 RPM. It takes a 180 millimeter disc. That's what the 180 stands for. It has a maximum cutting depth of 25 millimeters. I'll be cutting tiles of 1 centimeter, so that won't be a problem. And if you're working in an angle, which should be possible, it has no, that's too bad. It's plastic. So, if you don't know if you can see it, it says 15 or 30 or 45, so I think we'll place it in here, and then we can put it here for 45, put it at this level 30, and if you see the disc here, you'll be cutting at a 30-degree angle. So very cool, and doing the borders around your tiling work, around your floor, to do some miters. So very interesting, as well as cutting your tiles, of course, in a different angle. Okay, that looks cool. Going back to the front and specifications, well, this is on, this is off, and this is a fuse. So if the fuse jumps, you won't be electrocuted. So very good machine at first glance. Nothing at the bottom, nothing at the other side. So basic, only it has a very good aluminium top, which has around the edges a way of capturing the water. So if you're cutting, the water will go down these paths and drip down into the water catch and go back into the water reservoir. So actually you won't be spilling any water, and you will be working longer. If you look at the Firm or Power Plus or what's the other one, Ruby, they have a very simple top which curves over the edge, so if you're cutting, the water will spill over and will be one big messy shitty stuff. So the Carat is, yeah, my choice. It has a nice indicator of the distances, and let's see if we can get this one on very easily. I don't know exactly how, but I think this is the way. It locks down like that. Let's see if we can get it a little bit adjusted. doesn't move much. Let's see. Very good fence, actually. I'm impressed. So I'll be setting this up and I'll be cutting my first tiles tomorrow or something, and then we'll see what happens. I'll try to post a video about that and catch you later. If you like these videos, you know what to do. Subscribe, comment, do anything, and I'll hear it. Thank you.